Once again, I return to the holy land of the Swedish people, IKEA. Now, since we're in the middle of a pandemic, a lot of people are going to rely on IKEA, mainly on the furniture, appliances, meatballs. But this time, there's no line. So welcome to IKEA skit number 2, baby. Our first tour starts at the everything under $5 area. We have hangers on 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 hangers. We also got some cool lights here. I guess they're cool. Wow. This is Moth Area 101. And here comes the orb. The #1 character. Wow. How much is that again? 129 bucks for a kid. Yo, Team Fortress 2 and IKEA. Holy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the baby zone. Big Lek. Lalabo. Alright, we are out of the baby zone and we are into the holy grail. The bed zone. Where am I? Where am I? What if I put my IKEA bed next to yours? Otherwise known as the Morgadal. Hey, just do a little cut from the IKEA. I just want to give you a house tour. Just kidding, you're still in IKEA. Haha, loser. Yo, wouldn't it be funny if someone were to take a shit in the IKEA toilet? Don't get any ideas, please. Hey yo, it's Lady Gaga. This is so crazy. I can lay on this Kuchenhamen and hack on this Computerlamen, on this Kishkaboben. They've already ripped the keys out. That wasn't me. I didn't do that. The restrooms are located by the IKEA restaurant, and they don't exist because the IKEA... Bro, can you believe the Bible was actually Swedish? Sorry, my camera's garbage. Oh, come on! Oh, this is a pretty good gaming setup. It's kind of good if you want to stand. It's so dumb. All of these tables and chairs. This one's my favorite, but look at all these tables and chairs. And yet they closed the restaurant.